Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem on your Windows 10 laptops. Here you can see at the bottom right, currently I am connected via Ethernet. No Wi-Fi signals are showing up. To fix this issue, in the search box you have to type device manager. Here is device manager, open that, and under network adapters you can see that wireless network adapter. It is having yellow triangle, which means there is some issue with that. To fix this, you have to right click on that and you have to click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall. Now you have to select any one of the network adapters and right click on that, and you have to select scan for hardware changes. You can see that the yellow triangle of wireless network adapter is gone. Now when you click on this LAN logo at the bottom right, now you can see the Wi-Fi networks. That's it guys. In this way you can fix Wi-Fi related issues on your Windows 10 laptops. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.